We pulled up back to the GT crib. Too much goon action. Too much goon action. Too much goon drip. What? Got the 1000cc, you heard? Too much goon action. Do y'all even know what JDM is? Huh. Got some seats for the little Civic. For sale. That's GT. That's GT Lowe's. You're funny. I thought your shit can't be in the sun.
It can't.
Go put on a shirt. We got GT Willie.
GT Willie.
In the cup barefoot because he's GT with it.
See if they fit.
GT Dog. Okay, GT Dog. GT Dog. GT Most.
In good condition, they're kind of
These
dirty.
real JDM type R.
They just need a wipe down and shit.
Yeah. They got nice little bolstering.
They look nice. They look like racing fucking seats.
You look good.
You look good. You look good.
You look good.
Right.
You look good.
Yeah.
I'll take your shit, nigga.
Yeah, come on.
You about to crank this for the GT? Yeah. Yes. Is it a niche? Let's go. I'll go with you. Ah, fuck. That shit is hot. Jesus Christ. You're not gonna crank it for the GT?
Painted this right here.
Oh no, we gotta paint the front like that. Oh, you painted the little inside, huh?
A little bit.
A little bit right there.
The bottom. I didn't like it though. I think I'm just gonna paint it brown. It's hard to find the gears. There's a little bushing that goes in there.
That is not in there.
Yeah, it's like worn out.
Right up. You need to put that blast pipe on it.
That's what I was gonna do today. The tire on top, and I want to put a.
Oh, you painted this black?
Yeah, I want to put a roof rack or a. I painted this black too. Se rayó ahorita que puse la llanta.
Bajaste la llanta? These are nice. Everything works?
The gas tank.
Oh shit.
Oh, where's the engine? Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Looks like we got an issue.
Follow me at GT Entertainment on Instagram. Woo! Damn, this shit a little tight fit. Bitch, go back. Does this bitch not scoot? Man, this will be lit. Let's go for a spin. I think that seat is over there. Where's reverse? Over here. So mean. I'll hit the Civic, boys. Big tire, big tire.
No brakes. That's why I hate when people fuck with my shit.
As you can see, he's just learning how to drive stick. His first stick car.
This is a. I hit it on 4.
It's got no brakes.
The gears are like fucking loose.
This bitch,
You just need an e-brake.
You need to swing at that
What
bitch
is
in
that?
there.
What was that pipe? What?
20 minutes later.
Go.
Don't touch that, Andres. Move your foot from there. Move. Yeah.
This bitch calls us.
No, bro. It's fucking bro.
You said it was quick.
Quick enough to have fun.
Take it through the alleyways, my man.
Hey, look for my gas cap.
it look like?
Like a gas cap.
Oh,
But it's like brown. Man, that's gonna be hard. It smells like gas.
it does. A lot.
This is probably where they close the gate.
Go around that bitch.
Uh-oh, boys. We don't have to open this one.
Who closed it?
I can cut it with my knife, bro.
Stupid. It was open earlier? Oh shit. It's hot.
It's hot. We went off-roading right here, me and Willie. Right here's probably where I dropped it, bro.
This is dope.
That shit was crazy or what?
No. I
I
mean,
think you should go right now, though. Back is loose.
Wanna do it?
Okay. Okay. I'm finna whip this hoe.
Man, I'm finna whip this hoe. Damn, that shit fun as hell.
Alright, and the little Civic, we're about to replace these seats with those. I already knocked down the front two and the front seats. Just need the back two really quick. Oh shit. Got that one and that one out on both seats. Let's get it. Nope, that's not gonna work. Yeah. Well, I wonder if these seats, oh shit, are actually even gonna fit. Let me see, let me do one seat at a time. This is why I need my GoPro to work, but I need a better laptop. So hit me up if you got a laptop. Got it. There. Now time to take it out.
What you doing, fam?
Here, you can record this one.
You're a liar. This car has AC. He put AC. But she's selling. Oh, shit. Damn, that shit broken, bro.
Oh, these shits aren't gonna fit. Because this one's at an angle.
¿Le quedan dos? ¿Los dos de enfrente?
Sí, parece que sí.
Con esos a la verga, ¿no?
A la verga, si chocan, güey. a la
Yo, there's a
verga.
marker in there.
Like, this is safe. They fucking took off the airbags.
Is this an airbag plug? What is this?
Run.
You selling this car? Are we gonna still rent
Everything.
it?
Yeah. No, no.
Yeah, he's selling everything. He's in the house.
In the house.
Back action, bro.
Yeah, get that boom check.
Get that.
Record it right here.
Get on the other seat.
Other seat.
So the seat doesn't align.
Holy fuck.
Look what just came into the Civic. Holy
No,
shit.
fuck that.
Why?
Where is it?
Call Carlos. He loves those.
Ahí, güey, ¿o qué?
So we're about to drill a hole. Okay.
20 minutes later.
Stop recording before I start.
There's not a hole right there. Well, it's not gonna line up with the seat because it's not long enough.
Papi, ¿por qué no buscas, papi? Me estás aquí haciendo trabajar de okis. Andrés, can you bring me a knife?
Okay, tip number 2, I
Hold on,
won't being a
hold on.
dumbass.
Tell me, Anesh. Huh?
2 hours later.
Honda things. Wait.
Eventually.
Ay. Se lo metí. You did it too big, puppy. Well, this is my sweat. We're in Arizona, baby. Nomás falta just to do this one, since it's a little off, and repeat with this one, and then film. Yes.
Hey.
We gotta do the front too. Well, fuck it. GT Entertainment's
He talks to himself.
Huh?
No, it's
Oh, oh, he got the new, oh. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Well, we're gonna move it next to the shop, so. Oh shit.
AC?
That's nice. Nice little Civic. The seats are nice. Hold this. Watch out, watch out.
Why do you have a fucking flash on?
Seven-point turn.
You should let me get on.
Go ahead, yeah.
Oh, this shit low as fuck. Osmo! No! Back up, Osmo. I saved your life. Yeah.
Make it pop.
Make it pop. Come on, Jet.
Osmo will fuck all those dogs up.
I know.
Osmo, come here. Come here. Osmo. Yes, nigga. Míralo. Loco.
He will fuck
Come here.
dogs up.
Meanwhile.
Is that right? Is that so?
See the finished product.
Finally!
New seats are all in. Way more comfy, way more bolstered. Looks better. Woo! And slight modification, but that's the Goonie way, boy.
Yeah, this one nice.
A ver, cielo. You want the key?
They're a little high.
A little high?
Yeah, like in the front. They feel high.
Do they?
This thing doesn't go down?
Nuh-uh.
Well, I mean, it feels good. I just feel like I'm sitting like...
O pues, bájale, güey.
¿Eh?
Es así, ¿no? Didn't it feel different? I liked it when I kind of drove it.
I just feel like I'm like in high heels or something.
Yeah. Does
I mean,
it feel like this?
Yeah.
Or like the whole thing is
Not
up?
like this.
Pues that's how it's supposed to feel.
Oh.
Yeah.
I like these things.
Yeah, looks good. Wanna step out real quick? Hell yeah, they look hella nice, bro. Compared to the shitty... Well, it's not shitty leather, but it's all ripped.
Those look nice. I like those seats.
No, es una limpiadita. Pero...
The space is
Yeah.
so long.
Nah, but that's how it's supposed to feel, bro. Like the Lexus like that too. Like it's kind of like... Yeah, it's... Oh yeah, this is nice. This is hella nice. Oh, I get what you're saying. I definitely do get what you're saying. Pero es mejor. Nah, feels good though.
I just gotta get used to it.
Yeah.
Like that, just leave like that. You should have just done one line.
That looks sick, boy. Evil.